Hello and welcome back to my data cleaning with Panda series. This is already part 4 of the series, so make sure you check out the previous parts. You can find the link to the playlist in the description. Alright, let's switch back to the Stack Overflow survey. For those that are joining now, below you can find the code again for importing pandas as well as the dataset. Yeah, furthermore, we set the display option of rows and columns to 100 and display the first 5 rows of the dataset with the head method. Yeah, as you can see below, it may make sense to change the index here since we already get provided with an response ID by the survey data. We could do it like we have learned last episode, but also by changing it directly when reading the data. So let's go with the second option. All right, now the index is updated and the first row starts with response ID 1. So I'm going to show you an example where it could be quite useful. Yeah, it was the schema.df dataset, and it tells us the questions behind the call names in the survey.df dataset. When working with survey underline df data frame, you may want to know the questions behind the column names. So yeah, searching in the schema.df may take a while, so here is a better solution. You can read the CSV again and set the index call to uname. And now you can see that the queue name, so the question name, works as index now. Yeah, now we can have a look at certain column names by using log. So, all right, let's pick one of the column names above. Let's go with SO account. This is a little bit easier as searching manually in the schema.df. If you only want to see question text and exclude things like the question type, yeah, and if the question was forced, you can add the column name in the .log. Yeah, you can also sort the schema.df dataset by column name which could also help to find column names really quick. By default, it's in ascending order. But of course, we can also sort it in descending order. You just need to set the ascending argument to false. All right. If you want the sorting to be permanent, you need to set the inplace parameter to true. As you can see below, we have not done it yet. Thus it is not sorted when having a look at the schema underline df data frame. So let's make it permanent. You can do it by schema underline df dot sort underline index and set the inplace to true. And let's have a look again at the schema underline df data frame. All right, it worked. Perfect. Yeah, that's basically it. Happy coding and happy studying. Wish you a very, very productive week and see you soon.